Loosen up this worm clamp right here, use a straight blade screwdriver. If you can reach in here, disconnect this connector to the mass airflow sensor. Just push down on this tab here. Slide that out of the way. Now disconnect these two clips. And slide up on the airbox. And just slide it out. Pull the air filter out. If you have any dirt in here, you want to clean that out. I'm just going to vacuum it. And take your new air filter and just line it into the lower part of the airbox. Take the upper airbox. Just line up these tabs. Kind of have to tip it down a little bit. Angle it in. There we go. Now lock it down. Plug the connector in. And tighten down the worm clamp. Just snug, that's good.